Republicans are returning to Washington Monday to continue their effort to repeal Obamacare. Last week Congress faced a very unpleasant reality. At town halls around the country, many angry protesters demanded to know how congressmen and senators planned on overhauling the Affordable Care Act, and specifically what would happen to the 20 million people who are insured under the law. A question Republicans can't allow to continue to go unanswered. A draft of the bill proposes to replace Obamacare subsidies with less generous tax credits, increase the amount insurers could charge older Americans, and also Medicaid could be eliminated for low-income adults.
But if healthy people opt out, it could drive up prices for the elderly and sick. Eliminating subsidies. Republicans want to give tax credits that will be based on age instead of income. Rolling back the Medicaid expansion, but giving states the control to cover lower-income patients with grants. And to help those with pre-existing conditions, states will be given money to create high-risk pools.
As the drafted bill is, there is a direct contradiction between Donald Trump's promises to provide insurance to everyone. Trump's address to Congress on Tuesday night would likely cover these topics, and answer unanswered questions. GOP lawmakers are currently preparing to introduce their health care bill. The markup is expected the week of March 6, sources state. Replacement measures are still expected in the bill that would involve significant changes to Medicaid and tax credits, along with an expansion to health savings accounts. Trump during CPAC argued about Obamacare, and his reasons for replacing it.
I always say, Obamacare doesn't work. And these same people 2 years ago and a year ago were complaining about Obamacare. And the bottom line, we're changing it. We're going to make it much better. We're going to make it less expensive. We're going to make it much better. Obamacare covers very few people. And remember, deduct from the number all of the people that had great health care that they loved, that was taken away from them. Was taken away from them. Millions of people were very happy with their health care. They had their doctor, they had their plan. Remember the lie? 28 times. You can keep your doctor. You can keep your plan. Over and over and over again, you heard it. So we're going to repeal and replace Obamacare.